Oh, guys, welcome back to the talented house of beauty. Hey guys, welcome back to the talented house of beauty. Um, Let me get in some light for real. Oh, oh yeah. Whew. I just had for those of you who are in Houston, you know that when it rains in Houston, like it really rains. Like, oh my God. I didn't get too wet, but yeah. Now, I want, hold on guys. I really need to set my camera up, but it's cool. Now, I had to take a quick run to Target. I really wanted to get out to Family Dollar, but Family Dollar was a little too far for me. So I decided to take a trip to Target. And bitch, look at what the goodies we got from Target. Oh bitch, when I tell you, I cannot live, you feel me? I cannot live my life without these. And one thing I don't like about Houston, okay, one thing I can say, I love Houston. Don't get me wrong, I really, really love Houston. But one thing I don't like is when it rains, the roaches come out. I don't like roaches. I be quick to kill a roach, bitch. Or I be quick to call somebody to come kill a roach. You feel me? I don't them roaches, bitch. I can't fuck with them roaches. But look at what the fuck we got. Some all-purpose cleaner, okay? Because we gonna spray some shit down, you feel me? One thing I can't, my mama, every time I stay, like my mama would travel with me, my sisters and stuff, wherever we stay, if we stay in a room, she used to always pull the sheets back off the bed. She used to Lysol the whole bed down. She used to bring her own sheets and stuff like that. Like my mama wasn't playing. She used to always have her Lysol. She used to spray the toilet, spray the whole bathroom down. Like we finna really get in here and clean. And growing up, we didn't have, I come from the projects, okay? I used to live in the projects. I was born and raised in the projects, okay? My mama did not have, she used to do home health aid. And home health aid never used to pay that much. My older sister, she had like a little McDonald's job or whatever. But my mom, that was her job for real. So me and my middle sister, we couldn't really work because we was the only jobs that we could really work was summer youth jobs. So with that being said, my mama, she used to be I had my AirPods in, but like I said, she used to do home health aid, and she never used to have that much money between paying rent, buying school clothes, taking care of the house, buying stuff for the house and shit like that. She never used to have that much money, so we never used to be able. Sometimes we would, whenever she had money, we'll go to the laundromat and we'll help out wash clothes and stuff like that. But it's been plenty of times where the struggle has been real, okay? And my mama, she used to buy Gain, because Tide is like, we don't really fuck with the Tide. But she used to fill the bathtub up, which I'm finna do in a little bit, because yeah. And this is for, those of you don't, like I said, fuck it, bitch. We repping a low life. I don't give a fuck how much motherfucking money I could make. I don't give a fuck how much, I don't mean to curse, but I don't care how much $1,000,000 I could have. You feel me? One thing I'm always gonna do is revert back to what I've been taught. I'm never gonna lose what I've been taught. So And for those of you who don't have that much money, you know, as far as going doing dry cleaning and washing clothes, doing laundry and stuff, I'm gonna show y'all something. I'm finna fill this bathtub up with some hot water, okay? And I got my Gain. I'm gonna dump me some water, some Gain inside the water, and I'm just gonna, cause that's what my mama used to do. Like I said, I remember plenty of nights where she used to have blisters on her hands. I used to have to massage her hands and her feet because we'll be in there, all of us be in there helping her scrub the white clothes and all that. She used to put OxyClean, all that, put OxyClean in our clothes just to make our colors brighter and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking it back a little bit in this video. You feel me? So this video is basically gonna be me filling the bathtub up with some water. Yeah. With some hot water. You know, and I like old remedies like that. Like, you know, too, it's been plenty of times when my mama, she used to, whenever we invite friends over, we used to have sleepover parties and stuff. We used to make patterns out on the floor. We used to I came up from cup ramen noodle soup, all that. So, yeah, you know, it is what the fuck it is. You know, sometimes, like I said, when you on a budget, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes, you know. Not everybody, even some people might think, oh, it's only about less than $10 to wash clothes, but that $10 could go a long way. You know, that $10 could go towards something else. You feel me? So yeah, we're gonna fill this bathtub up with some water, some hot water. We're not gonna make it too full, you know, cause I don't have that much clothes that needs to be washed. But yeah, and this is my video on me bringing it back to what I was taught and what I was grown up on. I'm so blessed, you know, to have my mom teach me these things for the simple fact, I can pass it down to, you know, from generation to generation. And I'm glad that she did teach me these things also for the simple fact, like, whenever we weren't rich, you know, we ain't, you know, even if I was rich, I don't care how rich I could ever be, I'm still always going to revert back to what I was grown up on. Like, sometimes I don't eat cup ramen noodles, but today I purchased me some Progresso soup, you know, stuff like that. Like, the sushi and filet mignon and all that crab. Well, I'm allergic to seafood, shellfish, so look at that. That's a fun fact that I'm giving y'all about me. I'm allergic to shellfish. So yeah, shrimp, lobster, crabs, I can't eat all that. So as y'all know, I like to talk too. So yeah, we're not, like I said, I'm not gonna fill this up all the way to the top. I'm just gonna put a little bit of water in this tub, and I'm gonna Gain. As you guys know, Gain is like my favorite detergents to use, because I found that I don't know, I break out from Tide or any other detergent, and Gain, it gives like a fresh smell. It just smells so good. Yes. And if you ask me, from my mama doing this shit, like our clothes used to take like weeks to get dirty, When I tell you, I found certain remedies that she used to do lasted a long time. Like this remedy right here, I found that my clothes used to take forever to get dirty. And like, yeah, you know. But at the end of the day, it is what it is, you know. Like I said, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, you feel me? To save a coin. Who don't want to save a coin? And she used to hang them out on a couch, hang our clothes out to dry on a couch. And yeah, you know, so like I said, we finna take it back a little bit. She used to let it soak. Sometimes, like with the white clothes, she used to let the white clothes soak overnight. And it used to be lit. We used to be in there scrubbing the white clothes. Because, you know, when you're dealing with white clothes, like the socks and stuff, they get dirty. So we used to be in there scrubbing the white socks and stuff like that. We used to be in there laughing with her, joking. You know, it's not much scrubbing and shit that she had to do. It's not much that she really had to do. But, yeah. And like I said, thank you so much, guys. Like I said, I'm opening up a little bit because one thing I can say is when something happens to you in your life, you it kind of makes you closed off to, not, I wouldn't say closed off completely to the world, but it makes you kind of closed off a little bit and not want to open up like that, you know. So I can say after what happened to me in Phoenix, Arizona, with that police brutality where those two cops was beating on me like that, like literally beat me up, it kind of made me closed off. So I'm gradually opening up to you guys. And yeah, this is things I like I said when I made my YouTube channel, my channel is about me, you know. I don't pass judgment on anybody. And quite frankly, I could give a fuck less if you pass judgment on me. But at the end of the day, this is my life. This is what I love to do. My channel is based on things that I like to do, you know, things that I love to do. And cool things that I feel like I want to share with the world, because that's another thing. One, you know, every day every day is like I'm tapping more into my purpose. You know, I'm tapping more into my purpose. And my purpose is basically getting more souls, as they would say, saving souls, as they would say. You know, my purpose is basically tapping into somebody else's life, making somebody else smile, making someone's life, you know, just making somebody's day. And I guess I'm living out my purpose. That's my purpose. So yeah, my biggest advice to you guys is if you don't know your purpose, it don't hurt trying different things, you know. Find what your purpose is and live that shit out. You feel me? We at the Talented House of Beauty. If you found this video helpful, if you like this video, if you have any commentary about this video, like, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys. Until next time. Bye.